Good morning, dear students. How are you all? In the last class, we have finished our fourth chapter. So today we will do the exercises. Now all of you take your textbook, eraser and pencil and go to page number 43. We will solve the test your understanding. Name this. Uses some of the wide scales on its belly to grip the ground while pushing forward with the others. What is the answer? Yes, snake. In page number 40, you can see it. Some land animals such as snakes do not have legs. They move by crawling. They use some of the wide scales on their belly to grip the ground while pushing forward with the others. So the answer is snake. So write here snake. The spelling is S-N-A-K-E. The next question is, nostrils can be closed that help in keeping away sand during strong sandstorms. What is the answer? Yes, camel. Here you can see nostrils can be closed which help in keeping away sand during strong sandstorms. So the answer is camel. Here you write camel. C-A-M-E-L. Now the third question is, the hair on the soles of its feet help it to walk on the slippery ice and snow. Answer is polar bear. P-O-L-A-R-B-E-A-R. Polar bear. In page number 41, you can see the hair on the soles of polar bear's feet help it to walk on the slippery ice and snow. So the answer is polar bear. Fourth question is, fish have this organ for breathing. Answer is gills. G-I-L-L-S. Gills. In page number 42, the second point, fish have gills for breathing. So the answer is gills. And the fifth question is, many birds leave their habitat for a warmer place in winter. The answer is migration. M-I-G-R-A-T-I-O-N. Migration. In page number 42, you can see many birds live in extremely cold places. They cannot survive the winter there. So they leave their habitat for a warmer place in winter. They go back to their original habitat when winters are over. This is called a migration. So the answer is migration. Now all of you go to page number 46. Now we'll solve. Let's do it. Fill in the blank boxes in this mind map of where animals live. In this mind map, you have to write the type of animals in the first row boxes and an example for it in the second row boxes. One example is given here. Animals live on land. What it is called? Animals live on land? Yes, terrestrial. And one example is given here, tiger. In similar way, we have to fill the remaining boxes. Now the second one is animals in water. Animals in water. What it is called? Yes, aquatic. Here you write aquatic. And example of aquatic animal is fish. Now the third one is animals in land and water. What it is called? Yes, amphibians. Here you write amphibians. The spelling is A-M-P H-I-B-I-A-N-S, amphibians. Can you say one example? Yes, frog. Frog. Here you write frog. Now the fourth one is animals on trees. What it is called? Yes, arboreal. Here you write arboreal. A-R-B-O-R-E-A-L, arboreal. And one example of arboreal animal is monkey. Here you write monkey. Now the last one. Animals mostly in air. What it is called? Yes, aerial. A-E-R-I-A-L, aerial. One example is eagle. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. Next, we will look at some of the important keywords of this chapter. First one, adaptation. What is adaptation? It's a special feature that helps an animal live and grow in its environment. That is called adaptation. Next one, habitat. Habitat is the natural home of an animal. Next one, estivation. Estivation is the long summer sleep to escape from heat. That is called estivation. Next one, hibernation. Hibernation is the long winter sleep to escape from harsh cold. Next one, migration. Adaptation in birds wherein they move to warmer places during the winter season. It is called migration. Next one is herbivores. Animals that eat only plants. That is called herbivores. Next keyword is carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals. It is called carnivores. Next one, omnivores. Animals that eat both plants and flesh of other animals. It is called omnivores. Now we will look at the summary of this chapter. First point is animals adapt themselves to their surroundings to protect themselves from enemies. What it is called? Yes, it is adaptation. And the second point is animals can be grouped as terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, arboreal or aerial according to where they live. So these are the classification of animals according to their habitat. According to their habitat, animals can be divided into terrestrial, aquatic, amphibians, arboreal and aerial. And the third one is animals can be grouped as herbivores, carnivores or omnivores according to the food they eat. According to the food they eat, animals can be divided into herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Animals have different adaptations to protect themselves from being eaten by other animals. It is called camouflage. Camouflage. C-A-M-O-U-F-L-A-G-E. Camouflage. Do you know what is a chameleon? Chameleon is an arboreal animal which can change the color of its skin according to its surroundings, thus helping it to escape from being eaten by other animals. So this adaptation is called a camouflage. And the last point is we should respect animals and be kind to them. As we have already learned in the last portion of this chapter, we should take care of the animals in our homes and around us. Now we will solve the objective type questions. Choose the correct options. Here 5 questions are here with the 4 options. We will read the question and choose the correct answer. First question is the natural home of an animal. Option A terrestrial, B habitat, C arboreal, D aerial. What is the natural home of an animal? Answer is habitat. So you tick here. Option B is the answer, habitat. Next one is sea turtles spend almost all of their time in dash. Which is the answer? Air, trees, water, forest. Answer is water, option C. So you tick here, water. Because sea turtles live in sea. So the answer is water. Next question is the dash can change the color of its fur to match the color of its surrounding. Options are camel, Arctic fox, penguin, turtle. Answer is Arctic fox. Option B is the answer. You tick here, option B. Next question is only mammals that are capable of continued flight. Options: squirrels, monkeys, bats, ants. Which are the only mammals that are able to fly continuously? Yes, answer is bats. Option C. Fifth question is Arctic tern shows migration, hibernation, camouflage, echolocation. Arctic tern is an example of migratory bird. So the answer is migration. Option A is the correct answer. So you tick here, option A, migration. Now we will solve B part. Choose the correct option to fill in the blank. First question is many dash animals have long limbs that allow them to swing efficiently from branch to branch. What is the answer? Yes, arboreal. So write here arboreal. Many arboreal animals have long limbs that allow them to swing efficiently from branch to branch. Next question is dash are capable of drinking water at temperatures that approach the boiling point. Answer is flamingos. Flamingos. Flamingos are capable of drinking water at temperatures that approach the boiling point. Now the third question is dash shells look like rocks when they tuck their head and legs inside. Answer is turtle. So write here turtle. 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 Turtle shells look like rocks when they tuck their head and legs inside. Next, the fourth question is dash can beat their wings together or separately. Answer is dragonflies. Dragonflies. Dragonflies can beat their wings together or separately. Fifth question is, dash is the ability to blend into the surrounding environment. Answer is camouflage. Camouflage. C-A-M-O-U-F-L-A-G. Camouflage. Camouflage is the ability to blend into the surrounding environment. Sixth question is, a swimming fish will have a dash body to allow water to easily pass over it. Answer, streamlined body. Streamlined. A swimming fish will have a streamlined body to allow water to easily pass over it. Now we will solve C part. Write T for true and F for false statements. Here 5 statements are given. If the statement is true, write here T. If the statement is false, write F. First statement is, deserts, forest, coastal and mountain regions are all terrestrial habitats. The statement is true. So write here T. Second statement is, camels have weak but long legs. This statement is wrong. So write here F, because camels have strong and long legs. Third statement is, penguins have thick skin and lots of fat under their skin to keep warm in cold weather. Yes, the statement is true. So write here T. Amphibians do not have special adaptations. This statement is false. So write here F, because amphibians have special adaptations. Fifth statement is, centipedes, cobras, wasps and scorpions can defend themselves from their enemies by using their poison. This statement is true. So write here T. Now we will solve D part. Match the following. First one is prehensile tails. Which animals have? Yes, arboreal animals have prehensile tails. Here monkey is the example of arboreal animal. So write here 1. Prehensile tails, monkey. Next one, large breast muscles. Answer is flying birds. Write here 2. Third one is Arctic tern. Arctic tern is an example of migratory bird. So here write 3. Fourth one is bear. Bear is an example of hibernating animal. So here write 4. Bear, hibernation. The next is subjective type questions. E and F parts. E is answer the following questions in short and F is answer the following questions in detail. You can find the answers in the NLP app along with this video. So you should download it and write in your classwork copy. The next one is picture based question. This is homework for you. All of you should draw the picture of camel in your classwork copy and you should color the camel neatly and label the adaptations. You should Also write the reasons for the adaptations. If you have any doubt, refer page number 40. Next one is application based questions. As you know, this is only for your practice. This question will not be asked in your exams. So you have to do it as your homework in your classwork copy. The next is do it right. Do you or any of your friends or family member has a pet? How do you or they take care of the pet? Discuss. This is also your homework. You have to write in your own words about how you will take care of your pet. Now we will do the worksheet. Guess the type of animals from the options given below. Also write whether it is herbivore, carnivore or omnivore. First we have to write whether the animal is terrestrial, arboreal, aerial, aquatic or amphibian, and then we have to also write whether it is herbivore, carnivore or omnivore. First figure, what is the animal in this figure? Yes, it is a tiger. Tiger is an example of terrestrial animal. So write here terrestrial. What type of food does the tiger eat? Tiger eats flesh of other animals. So it is carnivore. So write here carnivore. The next figure is a bear. Bear is an arboreal animal. So write here arboreal. What type of food does the bear eat? Yes, bear eat plant and flesh of other animals. So it is omnivore. Next one is, it is a frog. Frog is an amphibian. So write here amphibian. Also frog is a carnivore. So write here carnivore. Next one is eagle. Eagle is an example of aerial animal. So write here aerial. Eagle is also a carnivore. Next one is octopus. Octopus is an example of aquatic animal. So write here aquatic. It's also a carnivore. So write here carnivore. So students, we have finished the exercises and worksheet of chapter 4. The next session we will start a new chapter. Before that, you have to complete the homework and study the chapter very well. So, thank you students. See you in the next session.